Cycle 9 of Top Model totally ate with the photo shoot ideas. Right after they get their makeovers, the models all pose as different kinds of plants. Let's go through them in reverse call-out order. This was the episode where Victoria got sent home mainly because of personality issues, and they gave her cactus because she has a prickly personality. I don't think this photo is bad, but definitely one of like the worst of the bunch, I guess. She was in the bottom two alongside Celicia, who was posing as a tulip. This photo is bad, you can't see her eyes at all, but also this partially because of the lighting. The shadows in these photos are just really odd to me. And then Chantal as Baby's Breath, again, very lackluster. I remember watching this episode as a kid when it was airing and being like, what the hell, how is her photo so bad? Moving on, we have Bianca being a sunflower. I feel like she could be a little more bright and sunny in this photo. Like she's maybe going more like the fierce route rather than like the happy route. I don't think this photo is bad, but I do feel like I agree with the call out orders so far. Sometimes they'll have good photos in the bottom, which I am going to talk about in another video. Here's Ebony as a bird of paradise. I really like her pose. I think it represents the flower perfectly. And they also gave her really cool makeup. Here's Ambrielle as a rose. I think she really captured that sultry vibe of a rose, you know? It's like kind of like a sexy thing. Here's Janet as hydrangea. I think this is a beautiful photo. I really like her pose. I would say this is my favorite, but there's some really good ones coming up. Janet was one of those models that you could just tell was a filler contestant. She got no screen time. They told her she looked like Liza Minnelli, but then they gave her the Liza Minnelli haircut. Fourth in the top is Lisa as Bamboo. She worked it so hard, and her body looks so much like Bamboo too. Like the pose is amazing. Her face is so fierce. Here's Heather as Weeds. Okay, that makeup is insane. Nobody else had intense makeup like that. I like that she's crawling like Weeds does. And here's Sarah, our top model author. She was second best photo that week as Ivy. This is a very beautiful photo. And then number one was Jenna as Moss. This photo is so amazing. Her face is gorgeous and I love the way that she's clinging onto the tree. Her and Heather really embodied their plant. And overall, I think this is amazing. I do think this is the best photo. Let me know which photos stand out to you in the comments.